What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Damon back with another video. Today, boys, we're finna be buying an LED carbon fiber steering wheel from a brand new M3 Competition. This is gonna be the first mods to the car, and as I do know, all my other cars does have this LED steering wheel. And bro, this shit is a +1, so I have to put it on the M3 Comp. You feel me? So with that being said, I found this off Facebook Marketplace. You feel me? That's where I'll be buying all my shit from. Honestly, like anybody else. You know what I'm saying? So I found that shit. Finna go pick that up. And like I said before, every mods I will be getting done to the car, I will be recording and then put you guys onto it. You feel me? So this is going to be my first mods on this car. I got some parts yesterday. And also, as y'all can see, I did order these H&R lowering springs and some spacers off Amazon that I will be installing to the car also. You feel me? Maybe tomorrow or another day, I'll go install the lowering springs and the spacers. You feel me? So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, y'all. So as y'all can see, we're at the shop right now. Finna put the lowering springs on my car, feel me? This is the fitment before. As y'all can see, got a lot of space. Damn, bro, this is a lot of fucking space, bro, feel me? And the back, honestly, the back isn't that crazy bad. I don't know why they make them like the front is so much space and at the back. Alright, boys, so as y'all can see, all four wheels are completely off the car right now, feel me? Now they are going to start changing the lowering springs. Honestly, I'm not gonna cap. I hope this shit is super low, bro, because I bought the lowest lowering springs possible. You feel me? So hopefully this shit goes super low, drop to the floor, because that's all I like my car. If it does not, then I might have to go buy coilovers. You feel me? But let's see how it looks when it's done. Alright, so as you can see, this is the first spring that's off. Feel me? Not looking bad. Then install the newer ones right here. Alright, as you can see, the back is finishing up right now, and they already did the front. Feel me? So the front lowering spring is already done, and they're finishing up with the back. So should be looking good. Hopefully this shit is super low, bro. I should have went coilovers, but I didn't want to go that route. I just wanted to do that. I wanted to get the same OEM feel because it does feel comfortable and everything, you feel me? So yeah, hopefully this shit makes this shit super low. And I did have, like I told y'all, I did put these 19, is it 19? Yeah, no, 15. I'm putting 15 mm on it all around, so the fitment should look good, you feel me? So hopefully this shit looks fire, bro. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when I'm done. Alright, bro, so they finally finished. They're dropping the car down right now, and hopefully this shit is super low, bro. I'm not gonna cap, so this is the moment of truth. Alright, y'all boys, so this is what it's looking like right now with lowering springs on it. I'm not gonna cap. When I do drive, it's gonna go a little bit lower because they just dropped it down just now, but not gonna lie, bro, this shit is looking good. Honestly, bro, this shit is looking sick. Before, that shit was way higher than this. And now, as you can see, both my finger can't even go through. So honestly, I'm kind of satisfied with this. But personally, if y'all do know me with my other cars, I got airbags and shit, bro. I would want that shit. I don't even want the top of the tire to be showing, but it's all good. The back is definitely gonna go lower. Alright, boys. So this is what my car is looking like right now when lowered and with the spacer. You feel me? I'm gonna cap, bro. This shit is looking so tough. This shit is looking tough, bro. You feel me? I could have went lower, but I don't think my shit is gonna be able to go over these speed bumps and shit. But yeah, all I gotta do now is go ahead and get a wheel alignment. You know, you should always do that after getting spacers and lower your car. So I'm gonna go ahead and get wheel alignment. Bro, the back right here, bro, looks so sick. The back looks so fucking sick, bro. You know what I'm saying? I like that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get a wheel alignment, and then that's gonna be it. Feel me? Alright, boys, so as y'all can see, we literally just installed the red LED for the DRL. This is what it's looking like right now, bro. That shit is looking sick as fuck. And as I can see, the car did get lower. Feel me? So yeah, that shit looking sick, bro. Bro, I love this shit so much, bro. So I'm gonna add that red. I'm also gonna put the intake inlets, the cones in red. Feel me? I'm gonna have like a red and black, red and blue theme on the car, bro. So that's gonna be sick as fuck. Alright, boys. So it's the next day right now. We're gonna be installing these front mount intakes. And we got some carbon fiber front grille and other parts, feel me, that we're gonna be installing. So since they're gonna take off the front bumper, I just ordered everything so they could do everything one time. You know what I'm saying? That's gonna save me time and everything, you feel me? So yeah, that shit gonna look sick, bro. I went with these small cones right here, bro, because these are gonna make the turbo sound a little bit better than the longer ones for some reason, based off my research, you feel me? So yeah, got the grill and other piece right here, feel me? So yeah, they're gonna start doing the work right now, and then this shit is gonna look crazy, bro. So make sure y'all boys stay tuned for the results. Alright, boys, so they finally taking off the front bumper right now, you feel me? But let's admire this fucking sick ass X5, bro. This shit is so tough. Look at this shit, man. This right here is pushing 800 horsepower, bro. This shit is sick, man. X5, 800 horsepowers. You know what I'm saying? X5M competition, actually, not just X5M. It's a comp. Feel me? But yeah, bro, they got the sauce over here, bro. Alright, boys, so as I can see, the front bumper is off. They're going to cut the hole right now for the front mount intake, and they're going to be installing that carbon fiber front grille also. So yeah, we're getting everything done all at once. The front grille is in. The front mount intake is going to be installed right now. The stock one is already out, and then they're going to install the new ones. Feel me? Damn, this shit is so lit, bro. I like this blue. It's kind of like matching the car. Not gonna cap it. But yeah, I'm trying to have a red and blue theme to the car, you feel me? So yeah, bro, that shit is looking lit as fuck. I need to get this piece right here in carbon fiber also, and the mirror cap. I'm not done yet. I'm just still taking my time doing everything together. Alright, y'all, so the next mod that will be getting done to my car is installing this carbon fiber LED steering wheel. So let's get it. Keys inside?
Yeah.
I appreciate you. Alright. I appreciate you. Alright, boys, so as y'all can see, literally just got so many shit done to the car, bro. You know what I'm saying? I got the front grille, I got the fucking front mount intake, I got the LED steering wheel right here. You know what I'm saying? And the headlights and shit. So that's gonna be it for this video. In the next video, I will be showcasing the car more, show y'all how it's looking. You know what I'm saying? It's been a long day. So like I said, I'll catch y'all boys in the next one. You feel me? So peace out.